Hello guys. All right with you. Welcome to this channel. Here you will find tutorials about autistic people and their functionalities. Today we are going to talk about network stars changes. If you are creating an application that makes requests from the server and wants to show your user through one hollers of one pop-up or one expression, that something happened with mobile data or with Wi-Fi. This feature will be very good for you. Without further ado, let's start. I'm going to start creating one app from zero. Phone app type. I will rename it here as network. I will create in the single module because it's only one demo. But let's always remember to create the applications using architecture the right way is fine. Ready here with the skeleton of our application create. Let's say like this. Let's start with us first. The entities that in this case will only be one. I'll call her Clade. I will have to attributes in and email, for example. I will use platform acceleration here to create here with our created screens. Let's continue. First, I will leave here as anonymous because I don't want to log in every time. We are going to apply on Clade Dettel. So this feature here is good. Let's search by network. I already have here this block. It can I anywhere on the screen because it won't appear to the end user. Part 1 is to create one here. Surrender to this block. What will be in the case? It already comes with input parameter. I'm just going to rename it here. And I will need it here of one local Boolean variable, which will be called as online. And as I will use one pop-up, I will also create here a variable also of the Boolean type for pop-up. And I will set her up as false. Inside of our flow, we will define two branches, one online and one offline. As we well know, for this, let's use an if here. This if's condition will be this parameter, which was created automatically here in our net. If it was equal to false, I'm going to drag it here to the troll branch. That is, so he's fake. It's offline, right? And I will define here inside this AA two things. First, I will say that my variable is online is false. That is, I am not online. Something happened. And also, I will define the pop-up show as you. Because if I am offline, I want let this pop-up open. Not to stay here nameless. Let me write here. And to finalize this part in my stream, I will drag here Wendy Nold. And ready here is done. Otherwise of that if we another AA here, I will write 7. And inside that AA, we will say the following. Our variable is online. Will receive the input parameter, and our pop-up, in this case, will continue as false. User go follow won't even know that something happened because it didn't actually happen. He stayed online. To finalize, in this part of logic, inside our screen, where we are applying, here this status detection, we want you, our application understand right at the beginning. Let her do this. This connection, to find out if you are online or not right at the beginning. So let's create here. Inside the Elise one-ite, we will call. I will write here. B get network status. He has an exit, so I'm going to put this AA here. And I will say this. Now in this case, my variable is online. That we created there in the beginning. She will receive. That comes here from this get network status. That is, he will tell my app that yes, it's me, I'm online. So alright, can achieve, can go your way if not. The block we put our screen on, we'll check in this condition. Or go online and follow. The pop-up does not appear, or go offline. Pop-up appears on screen. As long as the connection is not restored, the pop-up is there. To finalize the application, let's drag our pop-up here to our screen. I'll put him down here. And I will put a text. Just not to go blank. And I will write, for example, you are wait there. Offline ready. He's here complaining because it needs a variable. That no case. This one we've created before. If all worked out, if you don't forget anything, it will work. Let's go. So I will give 1 cigarette in my application. Ready application was published. Let's open in our browser. Let me drag it here. Opened here on my other screen. Ready. Here obviously we have nothing on our list. More. Here the screen where we define like I said. Nothing written appears. Everything working on the backing of our application. If I come here to simulate that I lost my internet connection, I'm going to turn off my Wi-Fi here. That the message appears here on the screen. You are offline. User managed to solve your problem and connect it again. As soon as the device checks that the connection came back, and everything goes back to normal. Good guys, that's it. Whether content was relevant to you, you lost. If you knew, if you didn't know, leave comment, leave the like, share, and see you in the next video. See you soon.